Hi and welcome back to my channel. Well, today we're going to make some lovely earrings. So what you'll need is a head pin of your choice. This is a head pin because it's got like a flat head, and this is comes under findings, jewellery findings. So it's long here with a flat head here. That's the one that you'll need today. But you can use the one with the ball at the bottom, or the one with the round, with the hook I think it's called. It's like a round circle. You can use that. But I'm using the T-pin. Anything that will stop the bead from falling off. Also, you're going to need some earring hooks. These earring hooks here, this is called fisheye earring hooks. And this is the bit that will go inside your ear, the ear wire. You're going to also need some flat nose pliers because it's flat here. You see, flat in the inside. You're going to also need some round nose pliers because here it is round, and you're going to need some beads of your choice. It depends on, it's usually about 3 or 4 beads, but depends on how big the bead is, because I've got some small beads and some small beads here and large beads here. So any beads of your choice, you just need about 3 or 4 to thread on to the lovely hairpin. Sorry, not hairpin, this pin here, head pin. So let's get started, shall we? So we're going to just thread, it on the bead. So I'm just going to look for the hole, yeah. Look for the hole and start to thread the bead onto the head pin. I'm going to alternate here. So it's a bit hard for me to see the hole. I'm going to alternate. So I'm going to have the beautiful bead here, little bead, micro bead, then the bigger bead, and then the smaller bead. And then I'll take the bigger bead and just thread that on. That's when I can see the hole. It's a bit hard for me to see. Yeah. Thread that on. And then I'm going to thread on the smaller bead. And just thread this. Sorry, it's a bit fiddly for me to see, but I'm going to thread on the smaller bead. Let's see, I can see the hole. And when you thread it on, make sure you leave about, I'd say, make sure you leave about 1 centimetre here. Because this is just a small bead, I can thread one more on. But make sure you leave, so I'm just going to pop that on. It's a bit hard to see the hole. Okay, just got to bring it near me to see. Right, okay, so we've threaded on all the beads, and we've left just about roughly 1 centimetre here. So what you're going to do next is take your round nose pliers, the bit that's round here, and then you're going to place it at the top of the wire, of the long wire, the head pin. And you make sure there's nothing at the top here. And you're going to put it in the middle. If you put it more at the top, then the hole would be bigger. If you put it more here, when you bend the wire, it will be the hoop would be smaller here. But so the middle, so we have a sort of middle size hoop. So you're going to just take it and you're just going to bend it. Good. And first of all, it's going to look a bit odd. So don't worry about that. It's going to look a little bit odd. So you're going to go to the other side, and you're going to move. That's it. You're going to move the hoop a little bit to the other side. And then you're going to take the small piece here, and you're going to bend. That's it. You're going to bend it And then you're going to put that away and take your flat nose pliers, and then you're going to take it to the edge of where the hoop is. It's a bit fiddly, but don't worry, the hoop is, and then just squeeze, you're going to squeeze it in. So you're going to close the hoop with the flat nose pliers. Can be a little bit fiddly, but it's fine, it's part of learning. So you're going to just maybe just take it up a bit if it's too, and then we're going to just squeeze it. It's going to move a little bit, but maybe just put your finger and then you just squeeze it in. Nearly there. Just turn it here. I'm going to hold this bead down, and then I'm going to just squeeze it right in. That's it. We've got it here. So so I want to show you. So we've squeezed it in now. You see? Let me put it up so you can see what I'm talking about. So we've squeezed it in now, so you can see that it's closed. Make sure it's closed, because we don't want the hoop to fall out. So you're going to put that away for a bit, and then you're going to pick up your air wire, and you're going to pick up your round nose pliers, and you're going to put it inside to open it. Just open it a little bit. Just open it. Yeah, just open it slightly. Let me just have a look. Okay, yeah, that's it. So you've put it in, and then you've opened it slightly so that you can hook this earring in. So we're going to join it together. We're going to just push it on. I'm just going to bring it nearer to me. That's it, so I can have a look. Okay, so you're going to just put it on. Okay, so it should be dangly like this. Now we are going to close the hole. And to close the hole, you can use your flat nose pliers to close it, or you can use your round nose pliers. I personally like to use my round nose pliers, so I can just pull it in a bit more. So you can take the edge and just push it inwards. Take it here, and then just bring it up. So what I did was you take this part and you squeeze it with your round nose pliers at the tip, and then you just bring it together. Bring your two hands together just to close it. So there we are. Sorry, I'm going to focus this in, because this, yeah, so here we are. We've got this beautiful, so I'm going to just move it. Yeah, so we've got this beautiful, beautiful earring. And you see how easily and quickly it can be done? And it's easy to get the material. I get mine from either eBay or Wish, but it's easy to get eBay or Wish or any other jewellery company, but that's where I personally get mine from. And there's lots to choose from. You can actually make your own earring hooks as well. I do that sometimes, but on this occasion I bought my earring hooks, but you can make your own earring hooks and your own findings, your own little hoops, and you can make your own, your own earring hooks and things like that. You can make the little links and things like that. It all comes under findings. So sometimes I do, but sometimes I like to buy them as well. So here it is. You've made a beautiful, beautiful earring. You choose whatever beads that you like, and always leave about 1 centimetre at the top before you turn it. Or sometimes the width of your fingernail, but sometimes everyone's finger's a little bit bigger than the other. So there we are. We've made a lovely, beautiful earring, quick, easy and efficient to make. So thank you so much for watching my channel. If you've got any questions or comments, please comment down below. If you like the channel, please like the channel. Please consider subscribing. If you do, please hit the notification bell so you know that I'm in town. And also I've opened a brand new Etsy shop selling all of my lovely handmade jewellery. I've stocked some at the moment, but I've got much more to come on my Etsy shop. I shall put the link below. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you. Bye.